Sending reports in Excel using Quickbooks. In order to send a report using Quickbooks, we first of all have to create a report. So I'm going to go to the Report Center, and note what I've done in fact is set my reporting up so that I've got a series of favorites. This just makes it quicker to show you. So I'm going to select the trial balance. We're not going to worry about the dates. We're just going to select the trial balance. And here we are. We've pulled up the trial balance now. If we send this as a report, I go to export it, and it will ask me whether I want to export it to a new Excel workbook or an existing Excel workbook. Now, if you are using electronic deliverables, you have already got existing electronic workbooks for each of the chapters. I haven't got that set up on this one at the moment, but what I am going to show you is the other tab here, which is the Advanced tab for Excel reports. And what I've done is I've opened and altered mine so that, for example, here were the two things I altered. When you normally use this, the default is there's no tick or no check on the box which says space between columns, so I'm going to do that. And it says send the header to the page setup in Excel. I'm going to say send the header to the screen in Excel. So now when I export it, here we are, you can see that what I've got is I've got the header in there. Now the advantage of doing it this way is that I can immediately see the name of the company, and since you have put your name into the title of the company, I know immediately who the file is from. So that's one reason for doing it this way. Here's another reason. If you look what has happened there, what I've also done using those is I've frozen the heading. And that means it's very easy for me just to scroll up and down and see the debit and credit for each particular account. And just one final note, I have mentioned highlighting in the course. If you want to highlight something in the text, it asks you to circle something. What I'm saying is you don't have to circle on this, because all you need to do is go, let's say we want to highlight petty cash. All we do is go to the petty cash, which we can see is $500 there. I've got that cell there, and I click on the paint can there for the fill color. I click on it and it fills it, and if you use yellow or some other light color so that we can easily see the numbers through it, that's fine. So that then is how to create your pages in Excel so that they contain the company heading. There is more than one way to do this. I don't mind if you find another way, but do try and get your name in the company title and make sure that's on your Excel worksheets. Thank you.